All right, this is robot project number 1, and my name is Miranda Robinson. I have my hex codes on my left with my serial monitor showing there. And this is the coding letting me know if it is signaling properly. Just to show that I have properly installed the sensor as well. Okay, so starting with the top button. See FF1837, FF1837. Now, I don't know if there's a problem with them saying FFFF right after. Alright, next one's going to be FF4AB for down. Alright, there we go, you can see it there. Now we're going to go to the right being FF5AA5. There we go. FF5AA5. Next one's going to be F10EF for left. FF110EF. Alright, next one's going to be for the OK button, and that's going to be FF38C7. There we go. FF38C7. And last but not least is going to be our number button, and it's going to be FFB04F. My fault. There we go. FFB04F. So I do know that my controller is communicating properly with my code, and everything is properly installed. Thank you.